Actually,
the big chairs.
I thought I'd give you the big chair. I was actually meant to swap the chairs over, but I was so taken aback by your intro there.
My Indiana Davis intro. That's nice, isn't it?
Well,
Didn't show me in my best light, though. I don't think.
I saw some of the one of the clips as a New Zealander itself.
Yes.
You have an affinity with New Zealanders because that's where you shot Willow.
I've been there a few times, yes, for Willow initially. We filmed all over the South Island, up in the mountains and the snow.
Before Lord of the Rings.
Before Lord of the Rings, we were there first.
That's
absolutely.
right.
And I've been there since on Prince Caspian as well, filming in some of the exact same locations as well. So it was really like a nostalgic trip back again.
What was it like headlining? You know, you were the marquee.
Well, it was weird. I was only 17 years old back then, and so I had just a great sense of adventure, and really didn't feel the pressure of being the title character in a big George Lucas production. So I was just having fun really. And Val, he was an integral part of me having fun. He just kept the whole thing light. Would always like to have fun with me, and he was just a great kidder. Really just keeping the whole thing very light and fresh for me.
We've got some vision of the behind the scenes at Willows. Let's have a look.